Hi, this is Abbas from Lead and welcome to video number 19 from the Excel series. In this video, we are going to look at how to protect the entire sheet or how to protect certain cells. So let's take the first part, how to protect an entire sheet in Excel with a password. So let's say we have this sheet here called small and large, which has some certain amount of data, and I would like to password protect the entire sheet. So for doing that, go to the review tab and there is an option called protect sheet. Now here we can give a password which is not visible right now, but we can just give the password and it will ask for reconfirmation. So again give the same password, and by doing that we have now successfully protected the sheet. So if we go again to the review tab and try to see here, we are getting the unprotect sheet option. Fine. So if I need to change anything now, I may not be able to change. I will get this option, this error which says the cell or chart you're trying to change is on a protected sheet. To make changes, click unprotect sheet in the review tab, and for that we need a password. So if you need to unprotect the sheet now again for making the changes, or somebody else to whom you have given this file wants to do it, then the password needs to be provided first. So go to the review tab, click on unprotect sheet and provide the password again which is there. Okay, so now we are allowed to make changes in this sheet, no problems. Fine. So this was the first part over here. Now let's look at the second part. If I want to protect only certain cells in the sheet, now in this current scenario the entire sheet was protected, that is this particular sheet, small and large. And now if I want to protect certain cells, then the first thing we need to do is we need to basically select the entire sheet in this way, or clicking over here, then go to the use the shortcut Control Shift and F. Okay, F for foreign, Control Shift F. This opens the Format Cells tab. Go to the Protection tab over here and click on Locked. So all these cells are now unlocked, which were previously locked. And okay, now this gives you an opportunity now to select only a few cells which you can actually lock. So you have now selected these two cells which you want to lock, and then give a password for these two cells. So nobody can change these two cells. So for doing that, again we need to press the same shortcut Control Shift F and go to Protection and click on Locked. Now this only locks these two cells. Okay, and by doing that, if I can give a password now, okay, let's go to the review tab and give a password. So protect sheet and give a password now. So I am giving a password now which will only protect those two cells, because I have only marked those two cells. Okay, so I can make any changes here. Fine. But if I can go back to those two cells, okay, like you can see over here, I'm getting the error for unprotecting the sheet. So I cannot change the data in these two cells which are over here, which I had selected, locked and then protected. So in this way we can basically lock a few cells and then protect them, because by default all the cells in the sheet are locked. Fine. So now let's unprotect that. So go to review tab, unprotect the sheet first. Okay, so this will now allow us to change the data over here, no problems. Okay. And we also need to go back to the Protection tab over here, and we need to click on OK. Before doing that, I need to first select the entire sheet, that's very important. Then again go to the tab here, Protection, and then click on the Lock tab. Okay, so if I click on Locked, okay, now I am back to my default. Fine. So this allows me now to protect the entire sheet. So in this tutorial I have explained you how to protect an entire sheet or how to protect only a few cells. So thank you very much for watching this particular video on protecting sheets and cells. and please visit our website leadcenters.com, and do visit our channel also for lead on YouTube. Thank you very much.